welcome you guys back to another episode of my C7 Corvette channel. And I'm your host, John Chad. And of course today we're featuring the C8 Stingray Corvette and also the Z06. So sit back, relax. We hope you enjoy this presentation of this wonderful, exotic American sports car. And if you will be so kindly, put down in the comments, will you be getting yourself a C8 Corvette, Stingray, Z51, or Z06? Or just tell me in general, what do you think about the C8 Corvette? And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and share button, and hit the notification button so you will know when we are doing a upload. And nothing says ownership like a Corvette, especially the C8 Corvette. And again, which model do you prefer? You have the 1LT, 2LT, or the 3LT. And that comes in a coupe or a convertible. And when it comes to the Z06, we have the Z1, Z2, and the Z3. Again, which model do you prefer? And of course, the Z06 is the most powerful vehicle between the two, kicking out about 675 horsepower. And don't forget the 70th anniversary model. And 70 anniversary model, it can come in in style with the Z06 or the base model Stingray. You get the 70th anniversary model, 70th anniversary edition, in either model. And it is a wonderful thing to see these cars out into the marketplace. I have yet to see a Z06 in the marketplace, but I do see a lot of all of the base models. And the C8 is definitely a game changer. No more will you be able to pull up beside this car thinking that you can challenge it, especially the Z06. Unless you like taking L's. She is truly the American exotic sports car. And I do believe she is worth the wait. And again, I'm your host, John Shaft, and you're viewing another episode of my C7 Corvette channel. Again, I ask you to hit the like button, share button, and subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification button so you will know when I am doing a upload. And it is a Chevrolet C8 Corvette. Nothing says ownership wise, only a Corvette. First American made-in sports car? Oh, wow. And if you haven't already had a chance to visit the Corvette Museum in Bowling Green, Kentucky, and I would encourage you to do so.